In this tutorial, you'll be learning how to make the queen Anne neck exaggerated hip blouse, and what you need for this is just your basic bodice pattern, and you need to label it like so. So starting from the front, you have to transfer your shoulder dart to your underbust dart, just as you can see me do, okay, so that you can be able to properly do your alteration of the blouse. So just pin it off like so. With that, you have successfully transfer it to the underbust. So once you've done that, you want to take a fresh paper and place it underneath the pattern so that you can get your new underbust dart, okay, just like so. So you want to pin it down with your masking tape like so, then you flesh it out and then go ahead and pin it upward like so and cut it out, okay. So once you finish cutting out, you can then start with your alteration of the queen Anne neckline. Okay, so this is what you have now. You can shade it off to indicate your bust. So from your center front neck, you want to go in by about 1 inch. Then you want to come down from your underarm by about 1.5 to 2 inches and connect like so. Okay, make sure that you have a perfect curve and make sure that you like what you are seeing before you go ahead to connect and connect properly like so. Then you want to shade that part off, okay. But before any other alteration, you want to transfer the part you just shaded off to a new paper, because that will be like a yoke for your blouse. So you want to trace it out with your tracing wheel and the outer part as well in one piece so that you can get that strap for your blouse. So go ahead and flesh it out on your new paper like you can see me do. You'll be cutting two pieces of this part because one will be for the right and the other for the left part of your blouse, okay. So make sure to label appropriately the shoulder, the armhole and the underarm point. Then make sure to take a gaping dart like you can see me do, okay. So cut it out from the paper so that you can have your pattern in one piece like so. So take your masking tape and then place it on a fresh paper to blend the new gaping that you just did to tighten that area of the shoulder so that it doesn't gape. So with that, you have done a good job. So you cut it two pieces for this part and that is it. So you go back to your main bodies, your blouse block, and then you come down by how much you want the neck depth to be and you roll across like so. So on the side of the underarm, you want to come down a little bit from the that point and then from your underarm point, and then you connect to give you like a slight curve as you can see. So on the center front dart, you have to take a gaping dart because you are making a straight neck. So take a gaping dart and pin it down with your masking tape or your Scotch tape, okay. So once that is done, you want to go to the hem of the blouse and extend it because we are doing an exaggerated blouse, so you have to extend it beyond your normal hip circumference. So I'll be extending by about 2 to 4 inches depending on how wide you want it. So you can do between 2 to 4 inches and connect it back to your waistline in a curving manner. Make sure the curve is straight and you love what you're seeing, and flesh it into the body of the upper part and cut out. And that is just it about the front of your blouse. So make sure to cut it out like you can see me, and then you can bring your upper part together to just see what it look like by the time you finish joining them. And that's it over there. You can just use your masking tape to pin it down, but you'll be cutting the yoke separately and join them together later. So that is what we have for the front. Then you want to go to the back. For the back, you will be doing the same neck width reduction of 1 inch, and the neck depth you will also reduce it. For the armhole dart, for the neck dart as well, you want to remove it at the armhole like you can see me shade it off, okay. So you take your 1 inch neck reduction, then you come down by about 1 inch or 1.5 at the neck depth at the center back like so. You cut off the shoulder dart that you just remove. Then you extend your hip also like you did for the front by the same amount. So if you do 3, you are going to also extend the back by 3 inches like so, and you connect it back to the hip, to the waistline, just like we did at the front. If you have find this video helpful, if you have watched even up to this point, I want to believe you found it helpful. Please kindly like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends so that the algorithm can also suggest it to other designers like you. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for watching my video up to this point. And this is what our final product look like. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.